Hi friends, you watching Fast Tech. Friends, today I will tell you how to make Bootable in your Pendrive and how to install Windows 11 in your PC. Friends, first of all, open your browser, Chrome browser or Opera or any type of browser, and type Bintoi and press enter. After that, you will click on the first official link www.bintoi.net. Friends, the official website has been opened on the screen. Now you click on downloads. You have to make Windows bootable, so you will click on Bintoi Windows Start Chip. Friends, now have to scroll down and click on Bintoi Windows Start Chip under Asset. After that, the download will start automatically. Click on Show All and now click on Show in Folder. Friends, I copied the download folder on the desktop. Friends, now click on this folder and double click on this folder. Click on Bintoi to disk and extract all and extract. After extracting, a new folder will open. Now click on this folder and click on Bintoi to disk and click on S. After that, a new pop-up is open. Now connect your USB pen drive to your computer and refresh this pop-up. Now your pen drive will be visible here. After that, I click on install and here type capital letter S and click on OK. S. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Bintoi in your pen drive. Close this pop-up, close this window and close this window. Now open your USB drive and copy your downloaded Windows ISO file in your pen drive. Friends who do not have Windows ISO file, there is a link in the description and you can download it from there. Now your bootable is ready. Friends, if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.